Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a white fall pumpkin tablescape. This is part of a 4 tablescape series for fall. I'll link the other videos at the end of this video so you can see I've got an orange and a farmhouse and a green and all kinds of different ones, so I think you guys will really enjoy. To get started, I'm going to be using this burlap runner that I picked up at the dollar spot at Target and this cute little farmhouse box I picked up at Homegoods. For this tablescape, I'm going to be using a lot of cotton as my base. I picked up this wonderful garland at Michael's about a year ago. It's always there around Christmas time. I'm going to tuck the cotton down below to start to give it that layered look that I really do love in tablescapes, and then using those cake plates, it'll elevate anything I decide to put up there. So just spread out the cotton. I also love using this because it's so malleable with the metal. And then I'm going to actually tuck in a couple extra strands of cotton throughout just to give it a more elongated look. The majority of my white pumpkin collection comes from either the dollar spot at Target or Michael's. Make sure to get them when they're on sale because they can run like 10 bucks a piece. And then these little candle holders I picked up at the dollar store. If you saw my other DIY tablescape with the orange pumpkins, you'll see I use the black ones. These are amazing. If you get them in the store, pick up as many as you can because they go out fast. I'm going to use a bunch of little tiny filler white pumpkins, again, all from either the dollar spot at Target or Michael's, to fill in the gaps around where the cotton is. Once you get all your stands in place, go ahead and start to layer in the larger pumpkins. I'm using felt ones, plastic ones, and glass ones, and I even have a couple of little real ones kind of sprinkled throughout. How cute are those little white houses from the dollar spot at Target? I love them. If you guys were able to pick up some this year, please comment down below what you're going to be doing with yours. I'm even going to use mine throughout Christmas too, putting a little tiny wreath on each one. It's going to be adorable. When setting the centerpiece for your table, it takes time to kind of rework the larger pieces and smaller pieces, so try not to get frustrated if it doesn't look perfect the first time. You'll find the right appropriate sizes and placement for each little piece. And there you have it, guys. The center of our tablescape is finished. All the little pieces are exactly where I wanted them. The little houses are lit, and I love each little pumpkin. They're so perfect. Now we're going to start setting the table for dinner. I picked up these chargers at the Hobby Lobby and Michael's. I actually had to get them online because they were sold out in the stores, but they were so cute. They were actually out around Easter time. I'm going to clean them off really quick using my favorite Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day, and then I'm going to interchange every other seat to have a different charger so that it looks a little bit more layered and dynamic. Tell me down in the comments section if you like to use chargers, and if you do, where do you get your favorite ones? I decided to go with gold silverware for this tablescape because it kind of played off of those dollar spot pumpkins. I don't know if y'all saw them this year at Target, but they have little gold tops on them, and I just thought it'd be a nice little interplay between that gold and the gold silverware. I am so excited to be using these little napkin rings that I made. I'm going to link the DIY up above so you guys can make these yourselves. I got all the materials from Michael's and it was super fun to make, so I'm excited to be using them today with this tablescape. For each one of my fall tablescapes, I tried to do a different runner and a different style of napkins. So this one I actually did in this little bow and it turned out really cute. The last step is to add your wine glasses or any water cups or whatever else you are going to be using to drink out of, and your tablescape is done. I had so much fun making this with you. Please put down in the comments your favorite part about this tablescape, and if you have any questions about the items I used, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and hit the little like button if you enjoyed this video. I look forward to sharing more with you soon.